Good morning, lovely people. All right, today let's learn how to style this ashoke gele. Easy peasy way. Just like I said, in 2 minutes, you should be able to style this. You like it for your parties? You see? All right, let's go. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's go and style this gele. I hope you're ready. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. You see my gele? I just tuck it in. All you have to do, you see my gele? Put it on your head. Make sure both hands are same. And this is the middle. Thereafter, tuck it in a little bit. Just fold it in. You see what I'm doing? Just fold it in. And come to the back. And just make a knot. Alright, now to the styling part. Put this. You see what I'm just doing? I just pull it apart like this, and then the 2 edges. You see these 2 edges, and just tuck it in. That's not the end. You take the second one also, same way, pull it out a bit, and pick the edges, and just suck it in. Thereafter, take these 2 edges and just arrange like that. You see my arrangement? That's the first one. Then this one, same thing. Pull this out a little bit. This, suck it in, and this, suck it in. And just keep arranging till you get your desire. I want my home. I don't want it to be so high. I'm trying to keep it minimal. I want to be the attention of the show, but I don't want to be. If you want it to be high, you can just pull it up and pull up. Well, I want mine to be. I want to represent well, but I don't want to be. I'm not the celebrant, so I just want to be stylish. And thereafter, put it back. Yes, there. Hi, baby.
Hi, mommy.
Hi.
Hi.
Do you like my headgear? You see?
You see?
Easy peasy, right?
Easy.
Easy peasy. Easy peasy. Do you see it?
Bobby, yeah.
Thank you.